Kiroko kia umuthi niguo uthuthuria wa postmortem ya mwiri wa Albert Omondi Ojwang utafanirio nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri ya City thutha wa gutirio muthenya wa ira. Uthuthuria uria ugutongoragio ni ndagitari Bernard Media mari na marigitari angi ana. Ripoti ya uthuthuria wa mwiri wa Albert yonanitie akwire kumana na nguraro njuru cia mwiri na makiria cia mutwe na thutha na oho guitwo. Indi tiwe mwene wacungiriirie gikuo giake ta uria ripoti iria irarekereirio muthenya wa ira ni munene wa borithi iraugaga ati niwe weguthithirie ruthingo-ini rwa thero ya Central kuria ahingiritwo.
There were serious injuries to the head. There were also features of neck compression. There were also multiple soft tissue injuries that were spread all over the body, including the head also, the neck, upper limbs, and the trunk and the lower limbs. These are injuries that externally inflicted from external source and are in keeping with assault.
Dagitari Bernard Media augete ni moganirie samples kuma mwiri-ini wa Albert cia gutafania uthuthuria makiria.
Hitting against a blunt surface, a wall would have a particular pattern, a frontal bleed. We've taken specimens and other investigative agencies are going to assist in getting other pieces of evidence which, pieced up together, will help in corroborating what we've just found.
Aihoretwo ni ruo ithe wa Albert Meshak Ojwang augete borithi mamuheire riboti ya maheni akioria ni ihitia ririku muruwe ekire riaiganite we kurutwo muoyo. Akiuga riu atigitwo moko matheri kuona Albert arari mwana wake wa mumwe na arenda kihoto gikinyanirio.
Kupitia kwa sheria ukaseme kwa nini ulimuua mtoto wangu? Alikukosea nini ambayo inagharimu kifo chake? Kwa nini mtoto wangu peke yake asulubiwe kwa ajili ya neno la ufisadi ambayo inahusu nchi nzima? Sasa leo hii umenivunja mkono, umeniua. Kwa nini uniue? Unanidai nini?
Wakiri wa family Vincent Kisukwa ni ahithuritie thutha wa Albert guikio ngono kuma mucii kwao kaunti-ini ya Homa Bay atigire andikithia ndumiriri ya page 2 iria maugite matioe kiria atariirie. Na oho ni marenda kumenya kuria muthitangani wa mahitia maria Albert ekite ahurire ripoti na oho obi namba.
Huku kwenye makwapa pia unaweza kufika kwenye ukuta huko juu kwa kugongwa. Huko kwenye kishogo na kwa magoti. Boma langu hata ilipigwa picha hata kabla kijana wangu kuondoka. Wakaona ya kwamba huyu ni mfukara, hawezi kujitetea. Kwa hivyo lolote tunaweza kumfanyia mtoto wake, hiyo haibariki. Hiyo ni laana. Hiyo ni laana. Hiyo ni laana. Tusaidie.
How many times are you going to leave an old man without a single child? How many times are you going to leave a widow with a less than a month-year-old child? We have no problem with IPOA, but we have a problem if Eliud Langat is still in office. That investigation will not be fair, just and verifiable.
Murugamiriri wa atumia kaunti-ini ya Homa Bay Joyce Bensuda ni akorire haceke riria gwikinyitie moshari-ini ino ya City kuria muingi utanenda kumuthikiriria na mamuingatithia mamumagaria nginyagia aingira ngari-ini yake na ya kura. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.